Okay. So we're at Wingman, got the whole crew, and Aaron called us here for something about the community car build. So let's, you guys want to go in and check it out? It's kind of late. See what's going on. Good to see you guys again. Welcome back. Good morning. Welcome back.
I feel like we were just here.
It feels like we were just here.
It's been a while.
It has.
Too long.
4 months, 5 months.
Too long.
Yeah. So welcome. This is going to be the video that shows you guys the community cars build.
For 2026, we're going big. It's the 5th year for the build. We gotta level it up to make sure we can keep doing it. I got 2 cars, and y'all are gonna vote on which one we choose for the build this year. Okay, we're gonna have it up on the website, and I'll let you guys know. It'll probably coincide with when this comes out. So you can go vote right now. How about that?
By the time you see this, the vote will be
Available.
Where are they going to go?
Wingmangarage.com. There'll be a banner at the top of the page that says vote on the 2026 community car.
All right, and how long do they have to vote?
We're gonna do the vote for 2 weeks.
2 weeks from now.
But when you vote online, you're not gonna know who's winning until we do the big, like,
Oh, I like
hey,
that.
yeah.
I like that.
So you can vote as many times as you want.
Oh, yeah? Is that what we're
I
doing?
have no way of really policing it on the site.
All right.
There's no law, you just pick it.
So Wild Wild West?
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Let's go. No matter what, no matter which car you want, vote as many times as you want. Send it.
Yeah, and then we'll do a reveal of who the winner is. You guys don't know.
We have no idea. Ben's here.
We got 2 cars.
Kenny's here.
They're platforms and drivetrains we have never done before.
It's pretty exciting.
It is. Me and Cora are gonna go inside. And We're gonna get ready.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna come back out and get you.
All right.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
See you in a few minutes. All right.
See you. Bye. So, Aaron, walk us through what do we got here?
We got 2 cars.
Yeah.
Like I said, platforms we've never done before.
Yeah.
One of them is front engine, big V6 rear wheel drive. The other is all wheel drive, 4-cylinder turbo.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, so first option we have here is it's actually in pretty good shape. 2006 Subaru Forester XT. For anybody who knows Subarus, that's pretty cool Forester.
Yeah, it's a cool car.
Basically an STI in Forester clothing. It's automatic. They're both automatic.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
got to be automatic.
Yeah.
Automatic. And unlike our last few builds, very clean.
Yeah. What are we
Not a lot of rust.
What are we gonna do without the rust?
We're gonna spend more time actually getting things done.
That's what I'm talking about.
And not pulling our hair out.
Yeah. So what are the builds that we talked before? They're gonna be faster. Like what are we looking at?
I don't know about faster, but we're definitely going to start the builds sooner.
Okay.
Depending on which car you guys choose, we're going to start probably February this year. That way, during the crappy months, we can actually do some fun car stuff instead of waiting till the nice months when you want to be doing other fun car stuff anyway. And it's going to take our time. We're going to have a lot of fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall we talk about option 2?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Option 2 is a 2003 Infiniti G35. That is a factory color, if you can believe it. It's actually a beautiful blue. I believe it's color code B16. It is also automatic, big 3.5 liter V6, rear wheel drive. I have a 350Z. It's a very, very similar car. And this one is a little different. It's got a couple tasteful modifications already done. Coilover suspension already done. Beautiful, very cool looking headlights. The big thing though, the engine has a hole in it.
Oh.
So if you guys vote for this one, we're gonna actually engine swap it.
Big hole, little hole. Enough for a new engine.
Yeah, no, it's not savable. So I already have an engine for it. So no matter what we do, this car will go back up. Yeah, it's
so
just gonna
solid choices.
Yeah. The cool thing about both of these is there's a huge aftermarket, with Subaru and the G35, obviously. There's a huge aftermarket, so we can have a lot of fun and be really creative with the modifications that we want to do.
Yeah, this is super cool. And I tell you what, this is going to be a great build year.
Yeah.
This is going to be amazing.
Fun. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Kind of back to the sports car-ish roots. We did Sarge last year. Love doing Sarge. Love Jeep. Awesome. We did Darth Ranger the year before that. Truck build. I think we learned a lot from those two because there was a lot of headaches. But getting back to the tuner sports car kind of thing we started with years ago, I think it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
Well, I tell you what, we are super excited to document this journey, to help out again. You guys head to wingmangarage.com.
At the top, there'll be a banner. Vote for this year's 2020. Vote for the community car build for 2026. Got two options, the G or the XT.
2 options, 2 weeks.
And then we'll let you know who wins.
See you guys there. Thanks for watching. Have a good morning.
Juan's here.
Yeah.
Wingman Juan. The one and only. The
one and only.
Yeah.
Kenny has been documenting behind the scenes stuff. Do you see your uncle? Do you see your uncle? Behind the scenes stuff. Behind the scenes. He doesn't know yet. He's about to help us push a car. Yeah.
Push one?
Push it. Push it real good. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Baby, baby.